Hello everyone, this is Alfred Basic Course Lesson 1B, and we have this song, The Windmill, here. But before we play the song, we're going to be looking at the definition of some terminologies, two of them to be specific. Ritardando, which means gradually slowing the tempo, and is abbreviated as retard or rit. And then we have a tempo, which means resume the original tempo. So if you look in this book, you discover that you have the ritardando here. You slow it down a little bit, and then you resume the tempo in this place. Okay, you go back to the original speed. So let's hear what it sounds like. First, we need to identify the rhythm or the movement, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And remember, we have two eighth notes. Two eighth notes will be two sounds in the time of one count. So if we are clapping these ones now, the first line or the treble staff is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me do it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is the way it is. So I think we should listen to what it sounds like on the piano. All right. So we'll do it a little bit slowly. Okay. So that's the first two lines. Then if we go to the last two lines, it goes like this. So this is where we slow down and hold it for fermata. If you so show this area, this is where we do the ritardando and we hold the songs longer than we're supposed to be. This is fermata. All right, then we go back to the song here now. I'm going to play it. We'll go back to the normal tempo. So we go. So let's hear the song a little bit one more time from the beginning, okay? At the beginning, slowly. Then we continue. All right, thank you.